Okay, guys. Have a good one. See ya.
You want nasi bungkus?
A lot of nasi bungkus here.
Yes, of course, brother.
Maybe later, okay? Maybe later.
Free to take it.
Yo, what's up? Just arrived to the Seminyak 66 area and Legian. This is actually, I think, still Legian, somewhere between border between Seminyak and Legian Beach. Actually at the front of the Jakarta hotel. This is my chimney. Today was very hot day, but it's going to be cloudy. Unfortunately, I'm a little bit shaky today. I will quickly tell you what's happened. Just few minutes ago, not even 5 minutes ago, when I was going here, I saw very bad motorbike accidents. The 3 bikes was involved, and one guy was in not the best condition, and I just saw it like 3 cars at the front of me, and I was fourth, and I even saw like one bike was like 2 drivers, and one guy fall down and the other also fall down, and the bike is going like one wheel into the cars. And I think the first car also get hit by the bike. So, but the driver, one bike driver, was really in bad condition. Of course, I didn't record that, but you have to trust me, it's nothing nice to see. And I saw too many bad accidents on the motorbikes in Bali in my life. And I'm so glad as I have my chimney, to be honest. I know as many of you guys really enjoy driving a bike. I also enjoy driving a bike, but for me, owning the car or renting the car is not just because of comfort, but it's about safety. And yeah, I will continue my vlog. Today I'm in this area. I'm looking for one specific warung, one specific guy on the beach, because I'm doing some requests from the Paul. Paul asked me actually already 2 times to visit the guy who is have a warung on the beach, selling bintangs and something else. He have Australian Aussie wife. I would like to talk with him, also support him buying bintang or 2. However, I have no idea where he exactly is located. It's somewhere next to Kumala Beach. But yeah, I hope so I can find him very shortly. Anyway, I will show you how it looks the situation around. It's today very windy. Hello, brother. I'm looking for someone actually, you know. Sorry, yeah. Well, it's somewhere over here. I don't know where. I used to be here with Winnie some time ago, having a bakso, because this is the bakso area. But I need to look for the Australian umbrellas. I don't know where is it. On the beach is so many. Yo, what's up? On the beach is so many warungs, but I will show you also on the street, because there's so many restaurants and hotels over here. Maybe many of you who are familiar with the area are very curious how it looks the life over here. So basically that's how it looks like. Here's Anantara Legian. I think it's still Legian actually, and I'm really curious where is the guy. This is the hotel Kumala Pantai, and this is actually, he said, somewhere at the front of him. Paul, I hope so. I'm gonna find this. Yeah, I have really no idea, but this is the Kumala Pantai hotel. So this is how it looks, the situation on the beach. There's so many local people enjoying bakso and stuff like this, and I'm still looking for the warung. I have no idea where he is. Yeah, what's up? So many bakso sellers. This area is very famous from the bakso in general. Maybe here is the Aussie bar. I will have to ask someone. That's how it looks the situation. Here are some Aussies over there. Yo, what's up, brother?
Yeah, how
hey,
are you?
maybe you can help me, yeah? I'm looking for someone who is the owner of the warung like this one, somewhere here, and his wife is Australian Aussie one.
Yeah. Wait, Aussie from Australia.
Yeah. You know him?
Yeah, I know.
Who is that?
Yeah, because Aussie is long time working here.
Yeah.
And then Aussie have wife from Australia.
Yeah, but you know this guy? You know who is it?
My brother from Java, and then wife from Australia.
Yeah. So he is here. He's owner of this warung.
No. I'm not owner. But owner warung going to Java.
All right, but he's still here in Bali. He's the guy who is married is still in Bali.
No, back to Australia.
Oh, okay. So he's in Australia right now, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, no worries. All right, so I just talked with the guy over here. I just buy the radler. He go to have a normal bintang, but he gonna exchange with your friend, his friend. He said as the guy, the guy already owner of this warung back to Java and going to Australia to his wife. So I'm late. I'm so sorry. However, yeah, that's how it looks. The situation over here. This is the guy. This is the my radler. So yeah, we will see how is the crack. Actually, some people over here sitting, always the same people actually. That's how it looks, the situation. This is already Legian or Seminyak?
Legian.
Still Legian, yeah?
Legian.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
So this is the radler, you know, guys. Cheers for you. Cheers to your friend. All right. Do you have many customers? Like?
Yeah, before.
I know Christmas time was busy. New Year, Christmas, it was busy.
Christmas is not good because nothing customer. In beach only after 9 o'clock.
Yeah, because 9 o'clock everything must be closed. I know, my friend. But now, as you can see on the beach, it's like 25% maybe occupancy everywhere. So many empty tables still.
Yeah, maybe you want going to Bali, you can stay in Aussie Bar, yeah?
Aussie Bar. Finally, I found the spot. This is for you. I'm sorry, your friend is already away, but at least I found the place. This is the most important thing. Look at the hat of this guy, so cool.
Yeah.
This is the peanut seller. Hello. Peanut, very good. Yeah, me, I don't really like, I'm sorry, but I showed the peanut, okay? This is the peanut what Winnie actually bought last time, and this is the eggs, actually, yeah. Winnie bought this last time and she ate, as you remember, in Legian. Very nice stuff. Okay, thank you, my friend. Actually, I don't really like the peanut like this. I'm not allergic, I just don't like it. However, it's always good to good to show. Hey, you! Are you YouTuber? YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your channel name?
Just TBL.
Alright. Nasi bungkus, nasi bungkus. Very nice. Ah, very good.
Are you YouTuber?
Yeah, what do you think? I'm doing this like, what do you think is this?
Vlog of me maybe?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Say something?
Yeah, you should subscribe to my channel, my friend.
What call?
Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys.
Mr. and Mr. Monkeys.
Yeah, monkeys, not manies. How's the life, my friend? How's life?
Nearly life.
Good life?
No good.
You still have nasi, it's okay, no guys.
Huh?
You have still nasi to eat.
I
it's
born.
okay.
Still good life.
Still good life. Nice statue on the
you
left.
too. Nice t-shirt.
Okay, guys. Have a good one. See ya.
You want nasi bungkus?
A lot of nasi bungkus here.
Yes, of course, brother.
Maybe later, okay? Maybe later.
Free to take it.
This guy is selling the sugar. I don't know what's the name of this, but very nice. Good luck. Oh, the beach is actually nice. It's over there in Canggu. I think it's already big crane. So quickly I will show you around how it looks live here. Oh, I see the nice girls over there. Maybe they wanna have a selfie with me. Yo, what's up? Hello. Do you wanna have a selfie with me? Can I have a selfie with you? Yeah, come. Can I have a selfie and with you too? With both of you, okay? Yeah, I wanna have a selfie if you don't mind. Yeah, vlog, yeah. You are alive, yeah?
Hello, my name is VIDE.
Where are you from, girls?
Jakarta.
Okay, good, nice. Can I have a selfie, yeah? Okay? 3, 2, 1. Yo, what's up? Okay, thank you so much, girls. Have a good one. Bye. So, I just have a selfie with the girl. We know about that, and she is all good with that. There is already 66 for sure. Where is the hotel? Because the hotel names over there is 66. It's very low tide, and I have to say, as it's actually clean. It's very clean here. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
What's that?
In
Oh.
Balinese, kremis.
Oh, nice. I will show
Apa
more.
bahasa Inggrisnya?
This is moving, right?
Cell. No.
What?
Small cell.
Oh, okay. Say it in Bahasa. What's the name?
Kremis.
Kremis. I will translate this later.
Balinese, kremis.
Kremis in Balinese is okay. I will translate this.
Yeah.
All good, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
All good. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
What are you from?
Oh, yes.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Sanurla.
Wah, Sanu.
No, I'm from Europe. Yeah. All good, yeah.
Dengan lu.
Okay, before your friends is coming, yeah. That's good. All right. Hello. How are you? Yeah, still good. Still good. All right. Good luck, yeah. They play around. Oh, look! Check this out. Check this out. It's helicopter over there. It's flying very low. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, still you can buy a lot of tours of the helicopter in Bali, and now the helicopters have a promotions. You can buy it cheaper if you want to fly around, but it's still very expensive. Anyway, helicopter tours in Bali are definitely much more expensive than elsewhere. I have a friend who was just last week in Las Vegas, in United States obviously, and the tour around Las Vegas for 20 minutes is cheaper in United States in Las Vegas than in Bali. So yeah, but anyway, that's only interesting fact. Well, what I can say, people chilling. All right, actually here is the very big gate, as you can see, and this is the parking area and gate where you pay ticket. Obviously I come from different way from the Legian, but I think this is the border between Legian and Seminyak, and here are so many shops, restaurants, so many people on the street actually around. I will show you now. People selling many things, like sellers. Here is also back, so here is the tea seller. Yo, how are you? What are you selling, my friend? Very nice. Krupuk, peanut, tea, water, very good.
Snake.
How is business? Okay?
From Java, yeah.
From Java. Where are you from? From Java? What's-
Surabaya.
Surabaya, right?
Surabaya.
Big traffic there, my friend. But nice city. Okay.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Okay,
See ya.
thank you. See you.
The kids driving here. I mean, the lady with the children's Carla Spa closed. Circa K. That's how it looks. It's very good vibe today on the beach, I have to say. Check this out. This Daihatsu Ferosa is very nice. Actually, it will be cool to have a car like this also. Some people, after I ran the gym near, comment below as they drive the Ferosa a long time ago, which is super cool ride also. Hello, how are you? Oh, I'm so sorry. Next time maybe, yeah.
We have another bucket, 3 hours free flow.
Thank you, thank you. Where is the Aussie bar? Oh, it's here. Here we go. He's smoking. Thank you, brother. This is your barber.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
see you
very
next
much.
time, yeah?
See you next time.
See ya. I do my best to show you as much as possible and make as much as possible to entertain this vlog today. As you can see, quite many people. One more time, this is Anantara and some other restaurants which is closed, but the local life on the opposite way. Bakso, bakso! See, bakso, bakso! As you see, very cool vibes. Meanwhile, it's gonna be raining very soon. I have to go home. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow, like always. See ya. Take care. 4 p.m.